Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can loop a song on SoundCloud. So basically what happens, you are listening to a song and you like the song very much and you want to listen to it in a loop. So you want to listen to it again and again and again and again. So how are you going to do it? I'm going to teach you a very easy step regarding this. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your SoundCloud and then select the song that you want to play on a loop. So let me just go with a random selection. So let's go with the indie party, and then let me just choose a song from here. So let me just choose this. So just play it and then go to this song like this, and then over here you'll be having this option just beside this share button. Let's go with it, and on top you'll find these two options. From these two, just go with this on the top right corner, which is the repeat one. Just press on it like one, like this, and then the song will be on a loop. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.